Alright, so I'm gonna be watching Reed's raw footage and give my thoughts on it. So I don't think this picks up the sound from the computer, but we'll see, I guess. I can hear it though. See, I can't tell if it's like the quality on YouTube or not. Like this shot looks like a little bit blurry, but I'm too bad. I like the shot here, good panning out. Like the low angle shot here. Let me turn this up a little bit. Good panning there again. That was actually like perfect. I like the exposure here. Looks well white balance. Nice pan again. A lot of panning. It's all done well too. Nice cut. I like that car by the way. It's a nice car. Good panning again. I like this shot. I wanted to do something like this for my film. We didn't end up doing it, but I like that shot a lot. Like someone walking out as the camera's like on the ground. You can just see their feet walking up. Good cut. Probably would have been like a little bit better if you could have gotten like the hoop there and we could have seen him kind of like miss a shot, but there you go like that. Just having a tough time. I love these kind of shots too. Just seeing like the ball just miss the rim or not going and hit it. I like that. Oh, dribbling like Kyrie, man. Like these kind of shots again. Just seeing like the hoop and seeing the ball go in and miss. Those are great shots. And we got. I'm assuming this is supposed to be the coach of the team or something. Watching the kid play well. I like this shot. How it blurs kind of the stuff on the right, the kid playing, and emphasizes the coach on the left side. It's his chance now. Probably could have been focused a little bit better there, but I like it. That was good. That was good. I liked it a lot. Good job, Reed.